Hi everyone, so today we are going to make chocolate, yay! The ingredients are this cacao bean and sugar. So first we are going to wash these beans, and then after that we are going to fry it, and finally we are going to peel off the surrounding skin. So first we are going to put these cacao beans into the water and wash them. Please repeat this procedure 5 or 6 times. So now we are going to dry the washed beans with the paper towels. So now we are going to fry these cocoa beans with this plate. So using this wooden spatula, please stir the beans around and fry it for 10 to 20 minutes. After you finish frying these, we are going to take the skin off. So now I'm going to take off the skin. So now, after you have peeled off the skin, you're going to put it in this suribachi, which is a type of thing that you use to grain everything. And then first you cut it into smaller pieces and then you grind it. So now we're going to smash this into pieces. So now, after it has fully become cracked into a good shape, we are going to grind this into pieces. So now we are going to melt the chocolate that we have grinded down to small pieces using hot water. So now we are going to put this 30 grams of sugar slowly into this bowl. So finally, we're going to put chocolate into this shape. Now, after we have included the chocolate into the molds, we are going to put it in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours. So now our chocolate is finished, yay! So now I'd like to remove the chocolate from the mold. So now I'd like to eat one of the chocolate that I made. So the chocolate is very bitter and it tastes very well. So please make it by yourselves as well. Thank you for watching. 아, 아치. 니가 우와.